Adebimpe, Esther, Aboyepe, Abiola, Awotoye. These names shall be mentioned in high places. When we hear this name in the hospital, she's going to be the chief surgeon. And when we hear this name in the court, she will be the chief justice. In the name of Jesus. Among great people of our days, of our generation, our names shall be mentioned. In the name of Jesus. There shall be no regret. I'm telling you, I want to see you then. When these children are giving you more, the mother will say, oh my God. Look at it now. Because guys always go for their father. Don't worry, they will go for you too.